Hi, I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and I'm here again to talk about the month of November. All right, so this video is about Aries and what will Aries see in this November? I know it's very exciting. I think October was pretty good for you all. Do comment how did you feel about my readings? How did they help you in your life? And do share so that others will also get motivated. And I always say that these readings, they should be like your GPS system. They will tell you that 200 meters पे traffic है, or there's a blockage, or you take a via turn, or there's, you could have a shortcut. So use them like GPS systems, and they'll definitely guide you. All right. If there is any minus, also I give certain tips so you all know how to deal with these situations. So Aries, are you ready? This time also I have come up with a new kind of a spread. Again, 6 cards, but new spreads. So the first will tell you the trailer of the month, the second will tell you the money condition, then your career, then your relations, any warnings, if any, and a turning point in your life. Wow, amazing. Have I removed more cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Ha! Let me see. There was an extra card. It didn't come just like that. Might be some extra message for you all, Aries. Let me see. I am so happy to start my first video with the Aries. Right. So the trailer of the month is money. Oh, it's good. Don't worry. So you are in search of money, and I'm so happy that you are in search of money in a good way. All right. You know how to earn money. Now you've understood most of the things about money, and you will go ahead in that direction in the right way. Money will come with a lot of stability. So if you're expecting, money, something like you'll win a lottery or something, so no, that's not going to happen. But yes, money is all about November for you all completely. And again, in the money card, you've got a very good card, Temperance. So this is a card which comes very rarely in readings. So you're blessed that your money is blessed again. So you will have a lot of stable money. Be very happy about it. You will have a lot of stable money. You might feel, oh, why there are so many expenses happening, but the pit will be filled. The hole will be filled. Rather, you'll never get into a hole. The money condition is very good, very good. I'm so happy. Nazar utar lena. Yeah, I always say that because I'm a doctor in alternative medicines, and I talk about energies, and I talk about you know good and bad sometimes, though I believe that this is all only about balance. So, yes, jealousy does exist, envy does exist, ghosts do exist, all negative things do exist. Only that they will enter into your system when you allow them into enter in your system. So that's my first tip for today. So don't worry, don't let anyone enter into your system. Just don't get into that zone of, oh, people will be jealous about me. Don't get into that system. And then career, you will get someone will, your career is good. Frankly, career is good, especially for people who are self-employed. This is their time. The career is really going nice. People in spirituality, people who are self-employed, people who are into business, a good time for them. I don't mean that people who are into a job, they are having a bad time, but these people are having better times just for November. I'm talking this just for November. But some feminine energy of the age 40 to 60 might bother you, or I might expect a lot from you. You might not able to meet up to those expectations. So that is something that you have to do from your side also. Not every time gaining money is what gives you satisfaction. Yes, you have good money in November, but um, all right. And feminine energy is not, what I mean is always a female. Even a male who has more of feminine energy, a male who is very nurturing, a male who is, a taker, who takes care, who receives a lot, who's naive, is also a feminine energy man. And it's nothing wrong in that. All right. So someone from the age of 40 to 60 might bother you because you'll get bothered. So ask yourself, what is that I can do to fill up these expectations of this person. Baki career is very, very, very good. Aries, clappy, clappy. Nice. Now, page of what? Okay. Relations. Um, Relations will be good again, but you will find people very childish around you. You will find, how could this person even say this? Was this the right time and space, to say this? Or maybe you will intermingle a lot with children. Maybe this is all about children. Maybe you'll be very happy with children. You'll be surrounded by children or childish people, whatever. But it's okay. I mean, it's okay to deal with childish people as well. And I don't mean immature. I just mean that their creativity might be a little childish. Maybe they'll be very fun loving. Maybe you'll meet across people who are very curious about things. Ah, where did you get this jewelry from? And you'll be like, okay, does that really matter? But again, I always say that we all live on perceptions. Nothing is actually right and wrong. Even when someone comes in or tells me, having so much of money is so bad, or being poor is so bad. And I always say that it's a perception. Grass is always greener the other side. When you have a lot of money, you have responsibilities. Or when you're poor, then you have that poverty mode. See, everything comes with pros and cons. Everything has its own balance, right? So you can deal with people when your perceptions are right. So keep your attitude right with people. But one warning is coming up. One warning for you, Aries. You will be burdened with a lot of responsibilities. You will work a lot somehow. You'll be burdened. I mean, even you'll be having social burden, you will be having emotional burden, you'll be having psychological, mental burden. You'll be having a lot of work. You might have to manage time. So there is an affirmation for you guys. You could just say that I'm calm, relaxed, and I manage my time fruitfully. What will you say? I am calm, relaxed, and I manage my time fruitfully. Say this affirmation for 9 times when you get up in the morning. Because I know when you get up in the morning and we all look at the phone, and then there are messages. Oh, what happened about this? What happened with this schedule? Is this approval right? Blah 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 blah. And something from the school of your children. This project is not complete. You're like, what is this? I just got out. But this will be your schedule in November. Though there'll be Diwali holidays, but yes, you will still have that kind of a schedule. All right. I also see you all going on a small travel, not a big one, but yes, a small one. Fun, but still you will be burdened with a lot of work. I don't say responsibilities, but work. And any turning point. Okay. I see some person, both these cards say, okay. You will come in contact with someone whom you have lost contact with. All right. So maybe someone from your school day, from your college days, from anywhere whom you have lost contact with will again come in contact with you. You might develop a kind of I would say love, but a harmony, a good vibe harmony, a platonic harmony with this person. and who are really in search of someone, then this is your hint that you have to search in this direction, someone from your past days. So people who are in search of their soul, so-called soulmates, I use the word soulmate in a very different concept, in a very different perception, though. But for layman, for common people, soulmate is a commonly used term. So someone who's really referring and going ahead with the search of their life partner, this is your tip, that search for someone from your past. And if someone has got back in contact, there might be a hint that they're just tapping in your energies for your availability. And congratulations. Good. So, yes, I have given you an affirmation also. Overall, Aries, this really, really looks good. And I hope you're also very happy after October. This is a good time. Have fun. Have nice festive holiday, and yeah, have fun with money. You have money this time. All right. Take care and see you soon in the next video.